hand thing, huh? Okay. Hope you do.
So looking around, what does it look like out here? Mars, right? Totally. You're looking at footage of Mars. It looks very similar. Yep. And this is actually called Blue Valley up here. So NASA actually has their astronauts training there. So yeah, he was up there with the, you know, fully, full crew and like his
Wow.
first flight. Yeah, it's crazy. And now they're gonna be having commercial flights up to space. So
What?
supposedly, yeah, did you hear about that?
No,
so,
I didn't.
So, what's the guy's name? Elon Musk, right?
Yeah.
So he put like a $10,000 deposit on the Galactic, I guess. So he wants to go. But Jeff Bezos,
Oh,
he
yeah.
already has his, what's it called? Blue Orbit or something like that. That's the name of his spaceship. And he's gonna go sometime this week.
Wow.
And somebody else famous is going on the flight too. But there was one guy that like won an auction to go on, but he still had to pay something like $20 million
Oh my God.
to go on this. And I guess they're gonna be charging
Yeah.
$250,000.
Oh my God.
So isn't it crazy?
Oh
Like
my God.
crazy times. Like now they're gonna be having flights.
I
into
really
space
hope in
now.
my lifetime
Right. I was
like,
gonna
that
say.
would be
I didn't think it was gonna happen in LA.
a dream come
Well, that's
true.
what Branson said. Yeah.
Yeah.
Childhood dream come true. If you're a
So
billionaire, you can make dreams come
Yeah.
true.
yeah.
Crazy.
Well, if it's 250 now. 30 years from now,
Yeah.
maybe they get it down to 50.
Yeah.
The cost of a sedan. Yeah, like I don't know.
Crazy, right? Yeah.
Would you go with me?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Not even thinking. Yep. I'm there.
You might get to do it. I might not. Aw. We're getting there.
You're like,
I'm gonna put that in my will.
that should spread its face.
Yeah. The ultimate Viking funeral.
So what do you guys think created these big valleys here? Yeah, so that glacier had to melt, right? We don't see any more glacier. So they said it took a 1-degree temperature change for it to all melt. Yeah, and then basically melted ice, yeah, flowing down the slopes here. So over there, that's our eastern Hamakua coast. So if you look up, you know, from the coast, you would see this huge valley coming down on a clear day.
Yeah, I drove up this one. No. Crazy, right? Yeah, you can look at that picture I showed you of me from the Keck Observatory. You know, those pictures we have hanging in the bathroom downstairs. with
We
the sunset.
cannot. Yeah, they
That's
shut it down during
those
the
two pictures in the
pandemic.
downstairs.
Keck used to do, you could go inside the observatory into like their viewing room. But yeah, I don't know if they'll do that again. And then for the Kama'aina here, like the locals, they used to do tours up to the observatories, like every month a different observatory. So I got to go on 2 of them. It was pretty cool. Ta-da! Yep, last 3 miles are actually paved. Yeah, so smooth sailing rest of the way.
Why'd they,
Good question. So back when they built this road, well, let me back up a little bit more. So have you guys heard of Dr. Gerard Kuiper?
no.
But you've heard of the
Oh, the
Kuiper
Kuiper Belt.
right?
There you go.
So they named the Kuiper Belt after him. So Dr. Gerard Kuiper, world-renowned astronomer, he was actually on the top of Haleakala, which is the highest peak on Maui. And that mountain is just over 10,000 feet. So there was already a road and power up to Haleakala. So here, Governor John Burns. That's what that sign, says John A. Burns Way. So Governor Burns was the man who got this road commissioned to be built. Basically, Kuiper was on Haleakala, kind of in the clouds still, and he was pointing over to the clear summit of Mauna Kea, and basically saying, that's where I want to build my telescope. But since there was no road here already, that's why Governor Burns got the road to be built. So they actually intended to pave the whole road, but it's a good thing they started from the top, because they only made it 3 miles down before, guess what?
Protest?
That's right, ran out of money.
Oh,
No
ran out of
protest
money?
yet, But ran out of money. And then they kind of just left it how it is because it limits the traffic.
Now they never
the
finish it because of protests, right? Yeah, they're not going to let them pave any more of it.
No more development on our sacred mountain. Enough is enough. But crazy to think that all the telescopes and observatories were built on the summit. So big trucks with big equipment, just drove the same road that we just drove up. And if they didn't start from the top, probably all this dust and dirt, could have gotten on those powerful telescopes. So we're just gonna do a quick side detour. This is the only telescope that's not on the summit. It's called the VLBA. Very long baseline array. They look like huge satellite dishes, but it's a radio telescope. And there's 10 of these telescopes spread across the US, and they use them together. They're all remotely operated from the headquarters in Socorro, New Mexico. And this is the farthest west, and the farthest east is in St. Croix in the US Virgin Islands. So that is the VLBA. Sometimes when we're out
feel it, right?
So we'll just do like 5-10 minutes here, however long to get pictures, and then we'll head up to the other telescopes.
What is this called again?
VLBA, So you might, I don't know, maybe snap a picture.
Absolutely.
On the
Give me the vlog camera.
Anytime, let me know if I can get family pictures for you guys.
Can we take our mask off?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, hi vlog. So. Okay, be right back.